the video?
Oh, this is awkward. No, it's not. You just got a splinter. What? You just got a splinter.
I think I got. Hi, I'm Lauren, and I just got a splinter.
Oh, I'm Alan. I think I'm a furry wildebeest.
Hi, I'm Allie, and I like to pretend I'm a furry
I
wildebeest.
got time.
Hi.
Wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading. When I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I've been like waiting for you, but you never come.
Hold on, I can break down a bit.
I don't know what to think. Here now too.